A special type of teddy bear is helping more families in Texas recovering from the devastating flooding and cope with loss. Our Danny Miskell previously told you about the local nonprofit called the Comfort Cub. Its weighted teddy bears are designed to provide therapeutic comfort to people facing trauma. A week after the floods, we told you about the 200 bears distributed to people in Kerr County, including Camp Mystic families. Now, more Comfort Cubs are getting in the hands of families who need them. Earlier today, we spoke with the woman behind the Comfort Cub, Marcella Johnson.
When you hold it in your arms and you put it against your chest, it causes something called deep touch pressure, and it causes a physiological change in your body. It causes your heart rate to slow down, it causes your breathing to slow down, and it gives you an overall sense of calm.
Johnson tells us they're providing 500 bears.